Okay, welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about future perfect tense. In a nutshell, it's used to describe an action that we know will be completed by a time in the future. More about it in the next lesson. But now, let's talk about what future perfect looks like. Subject, followed by the auxiliary verb will, plus have, plus past participle of the verb. For example, by this time next year, I will have graduated college. Subject I is followed by will, followed by have, and past participle of the verb graduate. In case you didn't watch previous lessons, past participle form can be found in the third column of the table of irregular verbs. Or, if it's a regular verb, we just add the ending ed to it, like in our example here. I will have graduated college. To make a question, our auxiliary verb will and the subject change places. Will they have finished building the bridge before Christmas? Will he have moved out by tonight? And in the negative sentences, as you might have guessed, we use will not or won't, and the rest stays the same. He won't have moved out by tomorrow. He doesn't have anywhere to go. They won't have finished building the stadium before the Olympic Games. That's it for now. Stay tuned.